Hey, okay. So we just got done watching Return of the Jedi. Ollie cries at everything. Watch.
You still sad?
Yeah.
Why? Was it sad when he said that he wanted to see his son for the first time with his real eyes?
Yes, it was really sad because he couldn't see his son, and he never even got to see him, and he just didn't off the truck, and he just like randomly trying to see his babies and grow up with them, and he could raise them the right way, but it all turned out bad, and at the very end there was some party, and they showed him and Obi, and then at the very end
It's okay.
I'm okay, and I don't think that is funny. It's really sad.
I don't think it's funny.
I really think it's funny.
No, I don't think it's funny. I think it is really sad. But everyone's happy in the end. And he got to take his father home. Are you going to be okay?
Did R2-D2 get put back together?
Does R2D... Yeah, R2D2 gets put back together.
But I didn't see him get put back together.
He was at the very end of the movie. Him and C-3PO were together. Remember?
I just wish I could do that.
You wish he didn't go to the dark side?
It's just really sad.
No,
Don't trust you. It was very sad.
Was it?
I'm really emotional. I don't want you to talk to me about it. It's not funny.
But he got to take his dad home, and then Anakin came at the very end. And he was like,
I know. I thought he died. You should have just told me what happened when I asked you to, so I could have been prepared for it, and you didn't. So...
Star Wars. I'm sorry. I just, okay.
You really think this was funny? Well, obviously, because you're filming me and you're embarrassing me.
I'm not embarrassing you yet. Okay, listen. It's not embarrassing right now because you're shooting it. It won't be embarrassing when I put it on YouTube.
Honey.
So... oh, gosh.